Hey guys, so today I'm installing my wind deflector for the Gobi Ranger roof rack. And like I mentioned in my previous video when I was installing this, this by far was the hardest for me, and just because the instruction was not as clear. So I did so many tries, but seems like I figured it out. So the brackets that you're getting, 3 brackets here, one side is longer and one side is shorter. So you want to put the shorter against the wind deflector with the front side, and then tighten it up. But you want to make sure that the distance between here, the top, to this end is 1 inch and 1/8. So that will then help to kind of sit on the plate over there like this. So let me kind of show you, and then I will go ahead and mount it as well. So you have to slide it from the back, and if I try to, it's a little harder with one hand, but let me see. Yeah, so it's supposed to sit like this. And mind you that on the windshield here, on the windshield across, they give you a tape, protective tape. It's clear tape that you have to put, so make sure you don't forget that. But I'm just supposed to mount 3 more screws from top, 3 plates, and that should take care of it. So it would kind of look, if I can show you from the bottom, yep, it will look like this. Like I said, the instruction was not clear. I did like 3-4 tries, but finally figured it out. So I thought this may help some of you guys. Remember, the brackets, the longer end comes up, but there's a distance that you need to keep between the top here and here. That's 1 inch and 1/8, and that will kind of align the holes and everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it and show you the last image. Okay, so the installation is finished. As you can see, this is the longer lip of that bracket, the 3 brackets that goes on top of the light plate bracket, and this is how it looks from underneath. So this is probably my 4th or 5th try. Maybe I was dumb, but finally figured it out. So again, just to recap, there are 3 brackets. Make sure you use the shorter lip on the front side, and you leave a distance between the top of the bracket and right here, the end of the wind deflector, 1 inch and 1/8 on all 3. So that should then fit very nicely on top of the plate bar. I hope this helped to anyone of those installing wind deflector. I know I had to research a lot and a lot of trial and errors, but it looks good. Thanks for watching.